how do you create a global village for your young people so that it allows them to come out of their experience and actually understand there's a much larger world out there?
Students today are really interested in the why, especially on how the world works. And teaching global competency can help them understand that why.
We need to give young people all over the world the tools to understand their role, their personal role in solving global problems through local and global solutions.
Having the Global Cities, Global Student Learning Outcomes and Indicators really became my foundational document where I really just focused on the outcomes and indicators that my students could most connect to.
The codebook makes sure that you squeeze the most out of the teaching process.
When it's integrated into the different curricular areas, you're giving your students a global perspective. So when they have that global perspective, they're going to be able to establish more personal connections with the material that they are learning, and it becomes more relevant.
After the pandemic period, we feel that we kind of missed something there, in our education. So I think this is very, very important.
What does it look like for us to understand that young people have this sense that I can do something in the world, this sort of I can disposition?